Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I'm very happy to say that over the years my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. In today's drawing video, I'd love to show your students how to draw a butterfly. My favorite way is to draw one with just enough detail to keep it interesting, but not so many that it makes it frustrating. Let me show you how. Before we start to draw, you need to gather your art supplies of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. And for some extra help, you can always download this free matching tutorial from my website. Before any drawing begins, please take a minute to create some guidelines on your paper. You just need to fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll end up with lines that match my tutorial, which really help as you figure out how to make your drawing. Step number 1. Draw a circle for the butterfly head. It's about the size of a penny or so. I'm going to draw the abdomen and thorax as one long shape for my butterfly, but you can certainly draw yours with 2 ovals if you want to make your butterfly a little more realistic. Step number 2. Draw the top of the right wing first, starting with the large curve that almost touches the corner, then has a slight wave down, and then a straight line back to the body along the fold line. The top left wing is drawn the same way, a long curve to the corner, a wave down, and then back to the body along that fold line. Step number 3. To draw the bottom of the right wing, draw a line down from the body and then curve up and out until you get back to that fold line. The left side is drawn the same way, just in the other direction. Draw down from the body, then curve up and back to that fold line. Step number 4. Now it's time to start adding shapes inside those wings. Begin with a very long petal on the top right side. Then draw the same shape like that on the left side. Now draw a kind of cut-off petal shape on the right side like this. And then draw the flipped version of this on the left side. I find that going back and forth like this keeps things from getting too confusing. I hope you agree. Now go back to the right side and draw a smaller petal shape. And then draw a matching flipped version of this on the left side. Step number 5. Now the top part of the wing is going to get finished off with some simpler shapes. A large circle, 2 smaller circles, and 1 teardrop shape. The left side, of course, needs to have the same shapes, the circles and the teardrop shape matching the right as much as possible. Step number 6. Now for the bottom wing shapes. I think we can speed it up just a bit by drawing the very long petal shape on the right and then adding the same shape on the left. Step number 7. The next set is another cut-off petal shape that is on the right and then, of course, on the left too. And then another similar shape on the right and a matching one on the left. Okay, we're almost done. Step number 8. There's another teardrop shape on the right and then also on the left. Okay, one last detail is that 2 antennae need to be coming out from the head. Okay, one last detail is that 2 antennae need to be coming out from the head. Step number 9. Okay, this drawing is finally done, so it's time to trace over everything with a good black marker. And I recommend you trace slowly so that you can stay right on top of those pencil lines that you just drew. And when your tracing is done, I always recommend running an eraser over everything to get rid of any pencil lines that might still be showing. And now it's time to bring out those crayons. I'm going to go with a kind of monarch-looking butterfly, so I'm going to start with lots of orange. Whatever choices you make, though, be sure to do them on both sides. That, of course, is what symmetry is all about. This kind of golden yellow color is one of my favorites. Whenever you use it, though, you do need to press really hard so that color really shows up. Those circles are going to be left white, so all that's left now is the black border. You might see that I also used the black for the body and the antenna too. Careful coloring with this black will really help make your butterfly shape stand out. And last but not least is the background color. I'm going to go with a kind of bluish green. Keep in mind that any light color that contrasts with that black will always look great. And there is my finished drawing of a butterfly. You know, I think the amount of shapes in the wings make it pretty to look at, but hopefully not too frustrating to draw, especially if you just take it one step at a time. Hey, I'm happy you decided to draw with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this butterfly drawing video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more tutorials like how to draw a moth and how to draw a caterpillar. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.